This repair center makes out-of-province inspections as easy as possible. If your vehicle isn't registered in Alberta, it is mandatory to have an inspection before registration. Cetus Auto checks your car's brakes, tires, drivetrain, electrical systems, and other essential items. If there's a problem with your vehicle, Cetus Auto can also do exactly what is needed to pass the inspection. This service provides you with a convenient solution that saves time and money. Get award-winning vehicle repairs in Altadore. Click on the link in the description for more information.